Let me show you how to upload a file to ChatGPT. This could be a PDF, it could be an Excel document. This way you could interact with your own documents using the power of ChatGPT, and it's now completely free to do. So go to chatgpt.com and make sure you log into your account or create one if you don't have one. If you're not logged in, it's not going to give you this option. Now, once you log in, inside the chat box, you'll see a little paperclip icon, and it's going to give you 3 different options. You could now connect directly to your Google Drive and bring in any type of documents into ChatGPT from your Google Drive. So these could be any PDFs you have stored there, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and then you could then interact with those, analyze those, summarize those. You could do the exact same thing with Microsoft OneDrive, personal or business accounts as well. I'm going to show you this option right here. Upload from a computer. This is just going to pull up your computer right over here. So if you wanted to analyze any type of document, you could do CSV files, Excel sheets, or if you have any type of PDF or Word doc that has text, and maybe you want to summarize that text. Let's say you have a 10-page document, you want to just get a 1-paragraph summary, you could pull that in that way too. And once you pull in a document, if you just press enter, it's going to go ahead and analyze the document. Sometimes it's going to give you a nice visual presentation too. In this case, it's not doing that, but sometimes it creates a nice table for us that's a bit interactive. And sometimes it's going to give you follow-up prompts to tell you exactly how to follow up with this conversation. And you could also ask it for visual references. So in this case, it just gave me a picture. I could click this and it's going to download that right to my computer. If you want to share this with anyone, you could press this share chat icon, and it's going to create a public link if you want. So if you click this, it's going to create this public link, and then you could copy this link and share it with anyone. And then anyone else could use their ChatGPT account to interact with the same chat and with the documents that you've uploaded here. Now, inside of ChatGPT, this is called data analysis, and I did a full deep dive video if you want to really learn about how this works in more detail. So I'll link that over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.